Hey guys, good morning everyone. Welcome back to the online class. Hope you are going good with the online classes. Hope you're enjoying it. And today we are here to discuss a poem, okay, from your Marigold book, NCRT book, and that is Unit 5, Chapter 6, okay. And the topic for the day is a poem titled The Lazy Frog, okay. Before going into detailed explanation of the poem lines, let us know something about this poem. Okay, so without any further delay, let's move to the poem theme. What does this poem mean? On a school day, you are busy studying, playing, and chatting with friends. When you have a holiday from school, what do? Would you behave would you behave a little like the frog in the following poem? So now here, what does it means that would you have you ever done have you after getting holiday from the school, have you ever behaved just like the this little frog? uh, it tells about what a lazy person does all day. Okay, the it also tells about the frog behaviors, and it will relate to us nature, okay, ours nature. Okay, it will let us know about what all a lazy frog does all day long, and we will relate that all the things with us, because it is written here that would you ever behave just like a little frog in the means have you ever done something like little lazy frog. Okay, so let's move to the poem lines and we'll discuss that in detail. Okay, Fred is a very lazy frog who lolls all day upon a log. He always manages to shrink a single stroke of work. What happened? Fred is a very lazy frog. Fred is a very lazy frog who lolls all day upon a log. Means who always lie around lazily around a log, a wood. Okay, a log of wood. He lie aroundly. I mean, so he lie around lazily. He does nothing. He does nothing. He always manages to shriek doing a single stroke of work. Means he doesn't do any kind of work, and instead of that, he shriek. Shriek means to be in us, means like he just वो सिर्फ अपने आप में रहता था. ओके, सो इट सेज दैट एंड विदाउट डूइंग अ सिंगल स्ट्रोक ऑफ वर्क, बिना किसी काम का, ही जस्ट lay down just like a lazy frog. His poor old mother calls in vain, come in and help. He does not bother to move 2 inches, much preferring to be extremely hard of hearing. What happened when his poor mother calls in vain, means when he was resting wastelessly or worthlessly? Okay, his mother calls him that come and help. But what does a lazy frog do? he does he does nothing. Instead of that, he does not bother at all. He doesn't focus on that words, and he could not move 2 inches also. And instead of helping her, he much preferring that to be extremely hard of hearing, means become a deaf, unsuna kar dena, if his mother is telling something to help him or to ask for help. उसको वो क्या करता था, वो डेफ हो जाता था. इट मीन्स ही बिकम्स डेफ एंड he could not listen to his mother too. He lies there in a silent heap and stays conveniently asleep. He lies there in a silent heap, means without making any kind of sound. He just lie there under logs or upon the logs without doing any kind of work, silently, and stays conveniently asleep. And always it tries to sleep there. It tries and it remains asleep there. If a lady frog hops past, you would think he would get up at last. to bow and help her on her way. If, what do you think? If a lady frog hops past, means when a lady frog just come around him or passed from him, so what you think what he has done? May means would he had get up to help her or to bow her or to give a sign of smile or to make some concentrated towards her or to help her on her way? What do you think? Would he have done something to help her? Seen some lady frog around him, what would have he would have done? Yeah, but no, I'm ashamed to say that when a lady frog comes by, he does not open up one eye even. Means when a lady frog also comes past his way, he doesn't open his eye, and instead of looking to her, the lady frog, he lazily laid down on the log, and he didn't notice, and instead of noticing, he just closed his eyes. He doesn't bow his head in front of her, or he doesn't stood up to help her too. Okay, so he was quite lazy to means do something, and when he seen means when he saw that a lady frog is there, he doesn't open his eye even. As we know how boys get like so active after seeing a means girl or whatever. We have seen so many movies and many other series also, web series also, but where the we what we have what we could find, we find that boys are so much means they want to be around girls, and whenever they find girls they feel quite good there, right? But here the lazy frog, even he is not worrying about who is coming and who is not coming there. And there girls also come, but he was not ready to listen, or he is not ready to notice at her. He was so lazy that he could not help her mother too, and he could not open his eyes to see what is happening around him. Okay, so, this poem tells about a frog who is quite lazy in his work. He could not do anything, and now I want to know whether you have done something like this lazy frog. Have you ever done something like a lazy frog? When you have a holiday, when you come back to the school, means have you ever done something like a lazy frog? Because it is written here that on a school day when you were busy chatting with friends, when you have a holiday from school, what do? Means do you do something like this lazy frog roaming means laying down on somewhere, noticing nothing, and even not listening to your mother what she want, means she even want his help or not? Have you ever done something like this, that you ignored your mother and you didn't listen to her and become deaf, or you are not able to reply her? Have you ever done something like this? Huh? Or even have you ever means you means उसको नज़रअंदाज कर देना? Have you ever done something like this? A important person came in front of you and you just ignored. Have you ever done something like this? So if you have done something like this, or you haven't done something like this, I want everyone to reply something about this poem. Okay, just tell me what you have done exactly when you were coming back to from school, when you got the holiday. Okay, just come back on WhatsApp and just tell me the experience. Okay, so this is all about the poem. Okay, here's some of the new words given. You can just study, or as you know, assignment I always give you that please read the poem or read the chapter and find out the difficult word which are new for you, which are like unable to understand. Okay, so just find the new words and make yourself study those words and memorize it properly. Okay, with the spelling. Okay, so this is all about the lazy frog, and tomorrow I'm going to summarize the poem and we'll discuss the question answers also. Okay, so have a nice day to all.